What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. This time I'm going to be showing you how to add transitions to your video. Super duper easy. All you want to do is go to the transaction. Super duper easy. All you want to do is go to the transition section. Once you click that, you have 178 different ones to choose from. That is a lot. Now, the ones I tend to gravitate towards, I like the speed, blur, and I like the warp. For some reason, I just enjoy them so much. So we're just gonna go to the warp, drop that in, hit play, boom, there you go. And then you can do some different ones also. They got like the 3D joints, drop that on there. They got all sorts of these things. Like it's no limit to the, well, there is a limit, 178 limit, but you get what I'm trying to say. You have a lot of choices to make. I'm just gonna mute this. But yeah, that's just a quick and easy way to add transitions to your video if you were wondering how to do it. If this helped you out, slam the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Till next time, it's your boy Waxel, and I'm out. Peace.